Amidst the usually quiet WorldSBK off-season, Honda Racing Corporation has created a big surprise. The Japanese manufacturer has officially unveiled its 2026 WorldSBK factory bike with a visual appearance that feels like the declaration of a new era. In terms of DNA, red, blue, and white remain Honda's racing identity. However, for the 2026 season, that balance has changed dramatically. Red now takes center stage, a rarity since HRC's return as a full factory team in WorldSBK in 2019. This design isn't just about aesthetics. It's a bold statement. Honda wants to stand out, be seen, and be remembered. In recent seasons, Honda's livery has been dominated by blue with red accents. But for 2026, that pattern has been completely reversed. The fairing surfaces are now filled with bold red, combined with a larger proportion of white compared to the previous 2 seasons. The tricolor identity remains, but with a far more aggressive intensity to strengthen HRC's global image. However, Honda's changes don't stop at the exterior. On the sporting side, HRC has also taken a bold step by completely overhauling its rider lineup. For the 2026 season, Honda has recruited Jake Dixon and Sampiet Chantra directly from the Grand Prix paddock, bringing an intriguing combination of Honda's internal experience and a fresh perspective from outside the system. Unfortunately, Honda's preseason preparations have not gone ideally. Chantra's injury has kept him out of several important tests, while Dixon's European tests at Jerez and Portimao were disrupted by bad weather. The lack of preseason data adds uncertainty heading into the new season, particularly regarding raw speed and racing consistency. Ultimately, the eye-catching new livery may be the most noticeable change. But the real question runs much deeper. Are these structural and strategic changes sufficient to bring Honda back as a genuine force when the starting lights finally go out?